Hello guys, welcome back at JavaScript learning series. In this video we are going to learn about IIFE, that means immediately invoked function expression. IIFE functions means immediately invoked function expressions in JavaScript. So how we can do this, that we have to learn here. So if I create a function like this and I can give name also like MSG, or I can leave it to without a name like this, and I display some value. Welcome to IIFE like this. So you see, whenever I call this type of function, so nothing is come. You see, if I call this not IIFE, so useful features, the node like this, so no output is coming. Why output is not coming? Because I am not calling this function. If I call this function like this, and now if I run, so it gives the output welcome to IIFE like this. But I want to explain you how you can create a function that call itself. So if I put this function under this brackets and one more function bracket, if I put here like this, so that notation is become the expression, and this expression immediately call the function. You see, the automatically function is calling. I can run it here, node like this, welcome to IIFE. So I am not calling this function, I am just declaring as an expression and automatically calling. So this kind of function is called immediately invoked function expressions, and I can pass this function to a variable also like this. No problem. If I run it again, it will run. It running, no problem. But this is not a function. Remember, this is not a function. If I call it now, it will generate an error. You see, it's an error. Why? Because this is not a function. This is an expression. So I can console.log. If I say console.log and IIFE I display, so see what is the output. You see, undefined. That means this is not a function, but we create object like this in JavaScript also. But after putting this notation, so no object creation is there, because that's an expression that calling itself like this. Now, can we pass argument to this? Yes, we can pass argument also like this. If I pass here, like I say this one here, and I can remove the name also, no need to give a name, anonymous, and I can say n1 and n2 like this, and here I can display the sum like this. I say sum of two number n1 plus n2 like this, and I run it, and you see it displaying sum also. Means I can pass argument also, I can use as a anonymous function also, and one more thing also, that I can use it as a arrow function also. You see, no need to worry. You see, the arrow function is also working as a IIFE function. So this type of notations we also use in JavaScript and often we use in jQuery, and this is the way to create a immediately invoke function expressions in JavaScript. And I have explained you that how you can use anonymous function inside this and how you can use arrow function also, and how you can pass argument in it. So that's all in this video. If you really like this video, kindly promote my channel, appreciate my video, like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video again.